Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go over 3 options of how you can view your BMO account transit number. So option 1, super simple. You're going to log into the online banking website or the mobile app. First, you're going to enter your details and sign in. Second, you're going to navigate to the account details section. And then third, you're going to choose the account that you need the transit number in. And then it should pop up right in the personal information. And then the second option. So the second option is a BMO customer service representative. So you're going to contact customer service and ask them for help finding your transit number. They will be able to get it to you provided you give them all the correct information. And then the third option is to go into a BMO branch. So you want to find a BMO branch near you and speak to a representative during work hours. And I'm sure you might need to bring some identification, so make sure to bring that with you just to confirm your identity. But if all is in order, then they should be able to provide you your transit number from your account. So yeah, if this video did help you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.